Hey everyone, Vinny here with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and easy to use Excel-based tools out there. For over 16 years, we've helped more than 7,000 clients save time and eliminate repetitive work by building. Our goal is to build the easiest to use mapping and logistic tools of its kind. We work closely with logistics companies, retailers, and small and medium businesses to help them be more efficient and get accurate answers without ever having to leave Excel. And recently I heard from a CEO of a growing marketing agency in Austin, Texas, and her team was scattered across the metro area, and she needed to move to a new office. Finding a location that suited everyone turned out to be surprisingly hard. Commute times and distances influence employee satisfaction, retention, and productivity, so they really wanted to make sure that they got this one right. So she wanted a fair, centrally located office, but she had been manually checking each employee's address in Google Maps and trying to average out travel times, a slow and repetitive process that left lots of room for error. Then she discovered our Excel midpoint and map tool via YouTube, and everything changed. This tool calculates the midpoint of multiple locations directly within Excel. It integrates Google Maps data along with our proprietary formula to provide driving distances and times with just a click. So there's no need for extra software or programming. Let me show you how they use the tool to find the best location to build their new office. First is what they do is they paste all of the team's addresses into the designated column within the tool, then simply click calculate. And the tool connects to Google Maps API and computes the central point, balancing driving distances and traveling times for all of the addresses for all the clients. You can even click on Google Maps and take a look at it in Google Maps and see what that all looks like. For our client, what once took days was able to be reduced to minutes, and she felt confident the new office was convenient for everyone. Stories like this is why more than 7,000 happy customers across many industries trust our Excel tools, and that's why we have more than 148 five-star reviews on Google. And clients regularly tell us that they can't imagine going back to manual calculations once they've tried our tool. It's incredibly rewarding to hear how our work has helped people make better decisions and save them countless hours. And there are many reasons why businesses choose us. Our tools are very easy to use, obviously, because there's no complicated setup, nothing to install. Everything works right inside Excel. You also get excellent customer support whenever you need help. And unlike other tools that charge you every month, ours only requires the one-time payment. You pay it once and you own it for life. If your company is trying to choose a central office or reduce commute times for your team, give our tool Excel midpoint and map tool a try. You can download it using the link in the description. And just for custom solutions, custom Excel solutions tailored to your business, just reach out to me directly via phone, email, or live chat at our website ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. I'd be more than happy to assist you. We've built hundreds and hundreds of custom solutions to very happy customers. And again, thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, just don't forget to like, subscribe, and just hit the notification bell so you won't miss next time time-saving tool. Looking forward to helping you out. Thank you.